The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times of CO.za. CAF Confederations Cup and CAF Champions League this weekend. Tomorrow, we'll be watching Chakumacha Masebanera against Orlando Pirates at 3 p.m. in the Nedbank Cup. And then on Sunday, we'll split the team in half. One team will be watching Sundowns in Congo, and the other team will watch Al Masry in South Africa against Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Kanyewa, analyst. Let's start with Kaizer Chiefs, Junior. They're hosting Al Masry. They already played Al Masry in Egypt. It's a very important point of the group stages now for Kaizer Chiefs. How do you look at that one?
Yeah, kule maprada kunjani mfethu. Ngibulise TJK.
Yes, sir.
Team yethu la ikhona abachita bethu. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no and try to fix South African football. It's a final before becoming a final. Because Chiefs needs to win. Melebo Dlane Zamalek away.
Yeah.
I think this is a game.
They have to win one of them.
Yes.
At least one of them.
So it's a sort of a semi-final and a final after this. So, yes, Al Masry, they coming like South Africa. It's a second leg of Lama group stages. A very important game for Kaizer Chiefs, but nature I've been.
Let's start maybe with Wednesday. There are two different games that Chiefs played.
Yes.
I'm hearing, because we myself and the Bobo were watching another game.
Yeah. I'm
hearing that the Chiefs, Stellenbosch, maybe in the second half.
Yeah.
But we watched Sonke Nezesko. Obviously, it was not a good performance. Yeah. So where is Chiefs' regular performances? There's a good performance when they were chasing the game 2-0 against Stellenbosch. They played well, some of the players, I'm hearing. And then Zesko, obviously, that was not a good game. So bagu upikulinda by performance.
I mean, I'll be honest to you. I will not to say Chiefs played very well. There's certain players that I will say they played well. Yeah, especially in that game, because I think it can be open. Let me put it that way. First half, Wednesday. First half, Kevin Hunt, I think it dominated. That's why I got 2 goals. I think we expect Zilinje, Kaizer Chiefs, Ama department, certain areas, will improve. And second half, yes, as ngisho, certain players ngizowashayela izandla Kaizer Chiefs, not the whole team. Because kube nama chances both teams, even second half. Stellenbosch could score, Chiefs could score. Going to the kule game njengale, ngibona coach aqala ngenye lineup, which is lineup eChiefs they win ama game 3 or 4 in a row, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. I don't think now coach we got convinced how they won. I'll be honest. Njobe sale sisho ukuthi when you win ugly, ugcina ungasazi. Mhlawumbe ube na this thing ukuthi hayi, I'm winning, some other people will get I will get punished. Ubukela team ka Kevin Hunt probably or ama analysts wakhe wabukela. They've signed important players and ama players abuya kuma big teams sort of kunabo mabasada very important abolibusa akusama player nje, those are high profile players. And Kevin Hunt, remember, started with a win with those players. Akusiku is ukuhlanganisa winning combination, but because of those players, those are quality players. Akhuluma njengaba bolibusa and nabo bombasa. Mfethu, if I can be honest to you, coach I think when's the plan the Kaizer Chiefs by not starting abo Lepo. Mabuye, yes, didn't start. Serena love him, mina, but Sereno, obvious, kuna ma issues you can tell. Guna la issue buya khona. I don't think it's from Accenture surrounding. And angeke uSereno ungabi ne build up uzomlahlela kule game intensity njengale. Those are defending champions. And kufanele ukuthi baphume nje kule cup kwama defending champions ukutshela enye into. It's another different story. Kusho ukuthi kunento engahambi kahle. You won the tournament last year. First game of the tournament this year you knock out. So coach uqale ngama players shaky. Match fitness ngikhuluma ngabo Sereno, not to say those players are big bench in ama player that they are, especially umabuye engathi UK Sharp, I will single them out ukuthi ufike lapho lethenye dimension, especially in the embizene Kaizer Chiefs defensive wise and also security baller trying to yabona ukuthi babe ne combination play. Uliyepo yes, scoring in important games umqale ngaphandle. So going to this game, I'm not too sure ukuthi labantu labo yena umabuye uliyepo mangabe baqale benchini, those are important players, you need them now. During the week, and they lost the game. Now you need them more. So uzoba motivated kanjani? I just want to find out from the coach. Very, very difficult and As ngisho na during the week, I'm not too sure ukuthi uzoqala nangayi manje. I don't think they've got special players, man, in terms of attack. Modi, yena lomchita lomdu. It's Serene ngasho just that now, obvious. Technical team njoba ngisho kunento ezenzakala. Ngim counter off nje uSerene. So, ama players yabo mfundo Vilakazi. Those are not players Kaizer Chiefs going to the game ebanga rely kiwo. So, they're playing against a technical team, a team that is very technical. Good, also tactical ngibonile, experienced players, and understand the strengths of each other. Nyakumbula badlala neKaizer Chiefs.
I'm not sure if it was a win for Chiefs or draw.
No, they won those guys. They won 2-1.
Solomon's, I think, scored.
No,
they won 2-1. It's not that one.
Zamalek equalized. They got Solomon. Those guys they won 2-1.
Okay, so they won. They beat Chiefs. Okay.
Yeah, they won. I remember asking you who are these guys. You said they if not mistaken, Egypt.
Yeah, they're top 4, top 5.
You told me, and the way technically, Jobangish experienced players, and they understand one another. And now we have this cut badlala. I watch game even as Zamalek, very difficult game. Fit. The Zamalek yes won 2-1, but a very difficult game. They play similar actually. It's just that obvious. Some of
the quality of the players.
Yes, and yeah, it's not going to be easy.
What do you think Chiefs will think in terms of approaching this game? Stellenbosch was open. I imagine Africa is not going to be open, although the home team is Chiefs and we expect them to be pushayo to get the goal. Do you think they will be close? Because with Zesco, they were not there. Even the game that they beat Zesco 1-0 in Zambia, and even this one, both of them is Zesco and Chiefs. They were not there. It was not good enough as a performance. In fact, Chiefs were defend. As the minute they scored the goal, Galilepo, they then started just to defend. How do you think they approach this? They go there closed, not open up, or what kind of game?
Yeah, one thing they're gonna do, I think, first whistle. Bazobana this thing like Chiefs, how they play. We need. Let's press them. We push them. I think we have 2 defensive midfielders and then allowing mhlambe 4 attackers. You understand which is Abulepo. Ngiyacabanga nomduzo mqala. Might start lomfana lomfundo Vilakazi angisisho. Might start noModi as well. Silva ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoba ile 4 up front. Uzobana this thing with let's press them. Ngabi ne build up and stuff. We force them to make mistake cause Kaizer Chiefs how they score goals with one force standing and then some mistake. Not to say they create chances. No, abana law player. So back forced with some mistake game critical phase of a game and then they punish you. After that they they sit at the back. And I think it can be a pressure. Let's go and get 1 goal and we're playing and go and defend. So or it might with a 5 defenders as well, like it did udlaling 3 center back. Angayenza nangalebesa allowing another 4 with the hope at same approach, but there is a possibility of doing that. Mhlambe lo mafana mabasahlale ngaphansi and Sereno go out. Umntu aqala game. Yeah.
All right. What's the score prediction? Al-Masri, Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. Al-Masri, Kaizer Chiefs, it's 1-1. I think those guys will score first. Kaizer Chiefs will come back and score equalize. Izo-chase game. Because akusibet side, ngiyibonile yo. Kuleko sure, even if ngiyabona iZesco, they beat iZesco 3-2. I watched the game as well. In Zambia. I think they dominated that game. Banama quality players. It's a pity ukuthi iZamalek ikhona kule group. If iZamalek bengekho, bengizosho ukuthi is a favorite team kule group to go all the way. But Kaizer Chiefs now nyazo uzopusha. You understand? But I don't think ready ukuthi especially kule tournament. Bangabhekana ne team enjengale and beat them. It's going to be very, very difficult game because the Chiefs now they must be cautious. Once this guy they can score 2 goals like Stellenbosch did, ukuvula at the back, udlala 5 at the back, but they punish you, and then it's a problem. So those guys will score first. Kaizer Chiefs will chase the game 1-1.
All right, wsb.co.za, www.wsb.co.za. If you want to go and spend some money this weekend on sporting events like the CAF Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup tonight, Chippa United, Durban City, if I'm not mistaken, playing in the Nedbank Cup. There's a lot of Nedbank Cup fixtures this weekend as well. We'll be here tomorrow at 3 p.m. Chakuma and Orlando Pirates. wsb.co.za. That's World Sports Betting. Move on then to Sundowns. They are traveling to a very difficult place to travel. Sundowns went to Rwanda. They lost to Al Hilal. Congo is complicated because the Pirates ishaile Lupopo here in South Africa. They beat them hands down.
Yes.
They lost on penalties.
Yes.
Lupopo is poor traveling, but somehow they are very difficult at home. Bashayo Rulani a penalty, last minute penalty in the same group. in Congo. So they lose when they go away. Even here in South Africa to Sundowns, they lost. But when they're at home, they're not wow, but they are very difficult. I don't know whether it's the hotels, circumstances, it's an artificial field as well, Lubumbashi. Whatever it is, it's tough. How do you see this one for Sundowns?
Yeah, it's going to be hot. Food.
Yeah, maybe the climate as well is difficult. Yeah,
It's
3
going to be
PM.
hot, as usual, artificial.
Yeah.
Yashisa and pants. And it's going to be difficult because those guys in Fetu, they are very physical. Actually, easy to consider Labawantu away, especially at home. They beat Orlando Pirates 3-0 at home. As usual, Bashaurulani. Very difficult, as usual. But any defense, Labantu Laban as Badala Kanjan. The way Chiefs won their 4 games, let's not concede, and then we'll punish them with their mistake. Because defense abo mabadlala home, abo concede. You understand?
Yeah, they're very difficult to score.
Honestly, ngicala ukubalandelela after playing against the Orlando Pirates, especially home, ngibile ngilandela into eningi nje ngabo. Labantu laba at home kunzima ukuthi badle, but away ku easy ukuthi badliwe because obvious each and every team kuna this thing home ground
Yeah,
advantage.
banayo le advantage banayo.
Yes,
the
they've
hotels,
got fans.
the ground and the fans as well.
Yes.
The environment nje yabo.
Yeah.
But when they travel away, we saw with the Pirates, they were so dismal
Yeah.
in South Africa.
Yeah.
They were defending every man behind the ball. The Pirates only needed to score 3 goals.
Yes.
Yeah, kora wonke
And
amagoli.
now got a 3.
Yeah, they scored all three goals. But now it's a different ball game. Sundowns, what do you think about them? We were watching myself on the Bobo, Belane Komora, not convincing Sundowns. And also, Belane Komora, Babuya game Al Hilal. They were not convincing there. They lost that game as well. Nabo, similar to Chiefs, it's a must-win game that they're playing a Congo, because if they win, then they are almost in the knockout stages. But if they lose, they must win against Rulani last game.
Mfethu ngibukele le repeat game angithi mina bengenza le Chiefs mangifika endlini wathi towards Sundowns. I think the following day, yes. Not convincing. Build up is slow. I-ground ngihlale ngisho mfethu imoto can hamba ngeke isuke la iye Davidton ngecarry 1 carry number 1. You can't. There must be carry number 1, carry number 2, carry number 3, carry number 4, carry number 5, 6. Depend ukuthi imoto iphelela koliphi carry. So Sundowns they build up slow. Abasisho futhi ngo-goalkeeper now.
Yeah, there's a challenge.
Very important.
There's a question with the goalkeeping department.
Yeah. Ronwen Williams, I think kuna this thing ukuthi ngiyazi comfortable. And honestly speaking, uRonwen now nami ngiyavuma. He has done well for Ronwen for himself, but they needed the goalkeeper vele bekumele challenge. Unfortunately, but released this guy across I'm not too sure alone. Across the goalkeeper from a Sundowns goal.
Yeah.
I think goalkeeper bekazobasiza even now, comfortable on the ball, how they play. Sundowns ngihlale ngisho when they play, it looked like they're gonna concede, but badlala nga-3 back, very slow as well. Team yabo abekho convincing man. I will single out players bona bomkwena. Mdiba, they not even show it him. Bafakelwe mfana ngibonile badlala we expose the boy.
Yeah, they took him out at half time.
I'm exposing mfana.
Yeah.
Yeah, ile nto ngihlale ngisho hyper lentwana. Kunama stage, kunama levels. Mfana ugrand, but there's certain level azoyireacha, and then khona enye ngeke azayireacha. So umfana is good, but for the future probably. You understand? Because now I don't think they will risk. I understand why Mdiba sitting on the bench. And ngoba nolunga ungizile na was exposed. Ngibonile le game. Exposed ulunga. I'm not too sure why. In the middle I will single out umkwena. Well done. Ngibonile na le game le bazoyidlala la badlala home. I think they draw the game before they go and lost that game. And up front, ngibona udoubt Reynolds, this guy, coach Reynolds, uyamdoubt. I know since coming from the injury, uyamdoubt Reynolds. He doesn't have a player on the right that is playing with Lala Sales. Sort of njenge Pirates idlala ngayo Apolis. But Sales akusomuntu on speed. Very good player, sharp improve compare. But you can't say international players improve. We expect a lot from Sales. A very good player, sure. Nuno actually playing one like I watch Nuno Manja and Resino. These two South American. Yeah, Nuno better compared to Resino. But you can get those players in South Africa. I don't think Balotelli impact. Like best Maguzu Nuno, if you can be honest, number 10, Mabamniga. Mina beng pege individual play brilliance from him. Can be a team player, but the Montos on win game. Like Ribeiro is done. You understand my expectation, but Mbona is a team player, he's a ball passer. Very good technically, can score goals sometimes, you understand. Any consistent performance consistent, is ups and down. So you're not gonna rely on him. You understand? So umuntu ongamthola even in South Africa. So uResinho ke yena engikhala nange we great man. I don't think, especially kule tournament angeke abancede. Work rate, he can't score goals. I don't think he will score. And it agakakore, if I'm not mistaken. So, Sundowns very predictable. The way build up, I mean, unfortunately, even the coach tactically, I was totally wrong with yonke into. I'm a fullback, so okay, but way too, he get exposed. Even I'm not too sure. Umkwana had to magabon ukuthi is very difficult to push. Uthola ukuthi kule rule yasuka kuya kuba exposed. Umkhulisa bamthembi. So Sundowns not convincing Kulego is going to be. If they're not gonna lose,
they need to win this game. The worst case scenario, they get a draw because Nabo, their future in this group is not secured.
okay.
And they will be playing Coach Rulani in the last game.
Let me be-
who needs a 3-point as well.
Let me be honest to you. The score is gonna be 0-0-1-1. 1-0. Winning that. They're going to lose Sundowns or 0-0. If I can be honest, not convincing at all. Serious. Abeko convincing. Sundowns. As so many still they've been doing well all along, but now I don't think the coach is even himself was funada. It's a body but the mindset is because they know what's going on even in the media. You can read between the lines, technical team audio. Speculation. At any given time, anything can happen. So
I think there's 2 matches this week, not next week, because it's the last 2 matches of the group. That could seal his job because if Upumile group, we expect him to be out because Sundowns they say they want to win the Champions League. If he doesn't make this week, is important. If he loses next week, Coach Rulani. If he doesn't make it out of the group, I'm sure that's the end of his job.
It's gonna be 1-0 this week. Sundowns loss, or they're gonna throw the game 0-0. Honestly, I don't see them. I'm not convinced how Sundowns they play. I don't think they will score. Their team is over difficult, especially breaker led defense. Ngadi badlala ngakhona. Abana they've got players abanjalo njengoba ngisho lo mfana lo ubuya ku I think Kutlane Litlako. That boy, if they can trust him,
it's good.
Mabena as well. If they can trust those boys, ngibona udlala ukuthi this scoring goals ababathemba abafana. So abanado ama player that can break. So unfortunately they're gonna play draw 0-0 or they're gonna lose the game.
All right, nice one. There you go. This weekend, Mamelodi Sundowns will play St. Elo Lupopo. It's a team that we haven't seen in South Africa in a very long time. They used to come here, or they came here once for the Vodacom Challenge over 20 years ago now. And they are back in the CAF Champions League because in Congo, there is a reshuffling of the pecking order. It used to be Tupiso Mazembe, Vita Club, even TC Motema Pemba. But because of politics, it is they who have risen, sent Elo Lupopo to a point where they don't even have a CAF stadium. They play in Lubumbashi at Mazembe's stadium. That's how not ready they were. But they keep on pushing and they are where they are now in Africa. Maybe they might even make it out of the group or make it difficult for teams to come out of the group. It will be them and Sundowns and then Chiefs Al Masry. Junior Kanyitso, Vilagazi, Shane and Machaka will be watching Chiefs. Myself and Ubobo will be watching Mamelodi Sundowns against St. Elo Lupopo. It is KTV Tiski Times. What's sweating?
Hola Bafetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Tiski TV.